Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Canvas Studio, your home for easy graphics and AI tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your stock image color using 3 powerful apps: PIXELLAB, PhotoRoom, and PicsArt. Whether you're editing a product photo, a YouTube thumbnail, or a social media post, this tutorial will help you make your images stand out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future tutorials. Let's jump right in.
Instead of using the eraser button to clean the skin texture of the image, do this instead. Go to your Play Store and download the app PhotoRoom. Open the app, click on Start from Photo. Select an image to remove the background. Wait for a few minutes for the background to be removed. Then click on the front page where the picture appears. It brings up a white background. Click on Background at the bottom left corner of the page. Then click on Eraser. It automatically erases the background, leaving a transparent background. Download the image to your device. Click Done to go to the front page of the app where the image appears. Click on Cutout at the bottom right corner of the page. It takes you to a new page automatically. Then click on Eraser. Tap on the human flesh to remove the skin texture from the picture, leaving only the dress. Then click Done and download it to your device. Go to PIXELLAB, change the color to a white background. Then import the dress picture without skin. Change the relative position to the middle. Then import the same picture but the one with skin. Change its relative position to the middle to align with the dress. And move it to the back, making the dress without flesh at the front. Go to Color Filter to change the color of the dress. Make sure it's at the center so the dress fits the image with skin. Merge the 2 images together. Then save to your device. The second method of changing the color of stocks is through PicsArt. Go to PhotoRoom. Remove the image background, then save it to your device. Repeat the process to cut out the skin texture with the eraser. Save it to your device. Go to PIXELLAB. Change the color to a white background. Then import the dress picture without skin. Move it to the center by clicking on Relative Position. And use the color filter to change the stock's color. Then download it in a transparent background on PIXELLAB. Go to PicsArt, click on the plus icon at the bottom of the page. Then click on Edit an image or video. You will be directed to your device gallery where you can choose the image. Click on your desired image. After that, move the tabs at the bottom of the page. Click on Add Photo to add the colored stock we got from PIXELLAB. Then click Add at the top right corner of the page. Enlarge the colored stock to fit with the initial image. Move the tabs at the bottom of the page, then click on Blend. There are different varieties of blend. Click on Multiply to blend the colored stock with your image. Then click on the correct heavy check mark icon at the top of the page. Among the tabs at the bottom of the page, click on Effects to change the texture of the image to make it lighter and more edited. For this tutorial, I will choose HDR1 and adjust its buttons. Then click Done and download the image to your device. You can use any effect depending on your choice. And that's it. You've just learned how to change your stock's color using PhotoRoom, PIXELLAB, and PicsArt. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and subscribe for more tutorials on graphics and AI tools. See you in the next one. Keep creating.